If your Insignia Fire TV isn't turning on, if the red standby LED turns on or keeps blinking, but you don't see anything except black screen, then let me show you some steps you can try to fix an Insignia Smart TV that won't turn on. Sometimes, simply cold booting your TV can fix this issue. You just need to unplug the power cord, then press and hold the power button for half a minute, and wait for 5 more minutes. In the meantime, you should also check the power cable for physical damage. If it seems damaged, then you can change it if it's detachable. Then you can plug the cable back in. But if you're using an extension cord or a surge protector, then try plugging it directly into a wall outlet. Now you can turn your TV back on and the screen should start working. If you still can't see anything, then this may be caused by external devices that's connected to your TV via HDMI. So unplug all the HDMI cables and then turn your TV back on. Even after disconnecting the HDMI devices, you don't see anything on the screen, then this can also be caused by your remote. And to check that, you'll simply need to take out the batteries of your remote and then turn your TV on using the physical power button. If it's fixed, then great, you just need to troubleshoot your remote. But if you still don't see anything on the screen, then we'll move to the next step, which is going into recovery mode. For that, unplug the power cord once again, then press and hold the power button, and while you're holding it, plug the cable back in. When your TV turns on, you can release the power button, and your TV should get into recovery mode. From here, first we'll try wiping the cache partition. To move down, you need to press on the power button. So now that we have highlighted Wipe Cache Partition, we need to press and hold the power button until it turns green. Then select Yes to confirm. But if you still didn't fix it, then we'll go into the recovery mode once again and factory reset our TV. But keep in mind this will erase all the data, and you'll need to set up your TV once again. Hopefully after the reset your TV is working normally. But if you even fail to access the recovery mode, or if it didn't work, then this may be a hardware issue and you need to contact Insignia support for further assistance. Feel free to leave your feedback down below and I'll see you around.